Namaste, crew. Have you heard about this new fad called ASMR? It stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response and is the ridiculous idea that you can get a brain massage by listening to a YouTuber whisper and make weird noises.
It has the complete opposite effect for me.
But I'm going to try and understand this phenomenon by creating an episode for makers to have something to relax to. So let's slip into something more comfortable and make a relaxing sound. Now doesn't that feel better? Now let's go in for a nice shave and clean ourselves up. Oh, and I forgot to mention, not only do they use really weird objects, but they also have to show their microphone in every video, and with you is no exception. I'm using the best microphone that I can buy just to get that perfect pitch quality that you need to help either wake up or fall asleep. Now let's switch it up with an even higher frequency. Okay, now that we're feeling all clean and refreshed, let's go wake ourselves up with the tinkling of glass outside. Now, for those of you that aren't aware, this is my wine bottle resume, and I'll cover that in another video. But apparently ASMR people like to tap on objects. This doesn't seem to be working. Let's try something a little louder. Ah, that's so soothing. Let's do it again. Now, as a maker, removing material is a part of our daily job, and nothing sounds sweeter than the sanding of some 220 grit sandpaper on some nice, cheap wood. Isn't that relaxing? But this doesn't seem to be doing the trick for me. Let's bump it up with just a little bit more. As you can hear, the 80 grit is a little bit coarser and gives a more baritone, deeper bass kind of sound. But it's still not taking off as much material as I'd like. Let's see how much more we could get. These sounds are as calming to you as they are to my neighbors and housemate Hugh. But While we were making some soft arrangements on this table, I noticed there was kind of a bow inside of it. And as makers, we know how to fix things. So let's go do that. This looks very beautiful, but let's finish it off with a little more tapping. Music to my ears. Now let's continue our eargasm experience with the sound of a cheap drill. Lastly, let's remember to refuel ourselves with an organic melted candy bar from in my pocket. You've enjoyed our experience of the journey of ASMR for makers. Join me next time. Sweet dreams. Quote out.